Students, let's try to understand one more problem, that is problem number 3rd. This is also asked by my students. So what are their students? Identify the substance that are oxidized and that are the reduced. Okay, two things we have. Student, what are the oxidized? Oxidized means that took oxygen, that took oxygen. Oxidized means that took oxygen. Okay, this is what the oxidize. And now that one, if you are talking about the reduced, students, if you are talking about reduced, that loss, okay, that loss oxygen, or you can say one more word, that added hydrogen, that added hydrogen. Here also you can say that is that took oxygen or added oxygen, anything you can use the word. And here is that remove hydrogen, this is the meaning, student, that remove hydrogen. Now you see the equations here. What are the equation? So here is 4Na is there, and that is what oxygen is there, and they are saying 2Na2O. See, from the sodium to sodium oxide, so oxidized, no, sodium is oxidized. Sodium is what, student? Sodium is oxidized. Okay, so that is, you have to, the sodium in the first equation is getting oxidized as the oxygen is getting added. Now the second point is there. You see copper, and here is what is there, cuprous oxide is there, and hydrogen is getting added, so it is giving copper. And here, so what is happening here, dear students? What is happening? So you will find that is oxygen is loss. Here oxygen is getting loss, so that loss of oxygen means what? That is reduction, and here is oxidation. Here let us try to understand this little bit in detail one. So here you see CuO is there, and here is H2, so it is giving what? Cu plus H2O. So here to here, what is happening? Loss of oxygen. Dear friend, this is loss of oxygen. It means what is loss of oxygen? It means that is what is, student, that is what a reduction. Okay, so that is what the first equation is, oxidized equation, and second one is reduced. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comments. Thanks, students.